Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to highlight another feature on Autosnipe AI, okay? And you can find that feature on holdings section and it's called sell all, right? So if you've been into the Solana meme coin sniping for a long time and experiencing both profits and losses, regardless of your skill level in sniping, now with the market not performing well, you are probably debating whether to invest more so or wait for recovery. But what if I told you that you could now get SOL from your unsold tokens? If you're invested in RAC tokens and can't sell them due to the low liquidity, this solution is for you. So sounds interesting, right? So without any wasting time, let's go through the process and turn your unsold tokens into the SOL to help you survive in this market. And this is not a financial advice. Everything what I do here is only for educational and entertainment purposes. You need to do your own research before you decide to invest in any sort of assets, okay? Everything is very risky here. Okay, guys, so basically, I just want to summarize our discussion about the Autosnipe, which obviously I covered in a couple of more videos in the past, right? So Autosnipe is a great tool, and it's something which you will be able to use if you want to, for example, start trading the meme coins. Okay, what you can do here, you can create the AI snipers. Okay, very nice looking tool here. Automate traders, hyperspeed. There are a few pre-made templates for you, so you can start trading right away. Okay, or you can create your own snipers from scratch. Okay. The other option is you can go and copy trade. So if you, let's say that you have some particular wallet address which you want to start copy trading, okay, you just find out that this wallet is quite successful in what they're doing. Okay, you can paste that wallet here, and you can set your levels, set your stops, and you can start copy trading them. Okay, that's also available here on Autosnipe, right? What else you can do? You can trade your lenses, right? Analyze traders' performance at hyperspeed. Again, if you got any sort of wallet in which you want to make some additional just due diligence on, you paste that wallet here, analyze address, and this tool will give you all the information which you might be necessary for you to make an informed decision about that wallet. Okay, and also main vision. Okay, main vision was introduced not so long time ago. I think it was a month or so. Okay, and where you can go ahead and start using and filtering those newly created meme coins graduating and the meme coins which were graduated. Okay. Today, I want to go into this holding section, okay? But before we do that, okay, I just want to quickly show you how easy it is to use the Autosnipe, right? What you can do, if you want to, or you need to remember that obviously in Autosnipe you'll be having a few fees associated with the trading, okay? So one of those fees is obviously the gas fees, which they are out of the scope of Autosnipe anyway, because that's the network fees. But the fees which the Autosnipe is actually charging for every transaction buy and sell is 1% of the total value of the transaction. However, if you sign up using the link below, which I will be leaving inside the description of this video, you will receive 10% discount. Okay, so instead of paying a 1% fee, okay, you will be paying a 0.9% fee. Okay, which is quite cool, because those fees, as we all know, can add up, right? So now let's go quickly and see what's going on here on the market. Okay, so we got a newly created coins here, right? So just to create a few seconds ago, okay, graduating. Okay, they are slowly graduating, and those are actually graduated. Okay, well, additionally, what we can do, we can go and put some filters into it. Okay, like a mint, freeze, LP burnt. Those are preset here, but you can definitely do it the way you prefer, right? But let's focus on some graduated coins, right? So we definitely want to hide drugs and hide scams, okay, with at least one social. Definitely we need one social to have it here. Community takeover, we can also pick that, LP burnt and so on and so forth, okay? But let's say and apply these filters, okay? So those those coins we can consider, okay, they've been graduated, okay, and there you go. We have it here, some indicators, okay, showing us, for example, this blue chip index here, okay, and something when you click on it, okay, you're gonna see this particular coin is looking like that, for example, okay. So let's say that we want to go and do some additional checks on that coin, okay. So let's go and, for example, this one first on the top, okay, let's go and click on the on their social, okay. So okay, I don't see any socials here, okay. Winner, okay, no worries. So probably that's not the coin we want to do some sort of further due diligence on, okay. Let's go and track this social, okay. Do they have any social here? Okay, so here we go. And yeah, 77.7 thousand followers. Okay, that's not bad, isn't it? Okay, and this is the name of this coin is Ignite 2423. Okay, and that's their social. Okay, it's just nearly 80,000 followers, right? And on since October 2023 on Twitter. Okay, that's a good sign, isn't it? So now we're going to scroll down. Okay, there we go. That's how it's looking. Okay, and let's say that we want to click on additional no, that's the same link. Okay, that's fine, that's the same link. But look, guys, if it says safe to snipe, okay, so and two snipers already there inside this coin, right? Okay, we got volume 8.1 million. Okay, market cap just nearly 11 million. Okay, liquidity 160,000. Okay, and there was a nearly 1.6 thousand of transactions so far. Okay. Okay, blue chip index, okay, very low. But let's go and click on this one. All right, so let's see what is going on here. Right, so is this okay, so this coin is a little bit of pumping here. Okay, let's go in 1 minute. Okay, so we got something here. Look, guys, all these informations are here, like holdings, okay, who bought, who sold. Okay, you can go and you can do some due diligence on that, right? That's no problem at all. You can always do that anytime you want. Remember, do your proper research, right? But let's say that, okay, let's say that we want to buy some of these, right? Let's say that we want to buy this amount of this of this token. Okay, so we just simply go and click buy token, and it start processing. Okay, and now look at this here, it's successful. Okay, so we're already there, right? So it's in the holdings. You can click holdings here to see that coin over in your wallet on Autosnipe. Okay, or we can go here on the left hand side, we go to holdings, right? And this is the coin which we are currently holding, right? So now coming back to this the intro of my video, right? So what we can do here, let's say that you got a number of those coins and you cannot actually get rid of them because there is no liquidity inside the pool anymore, right? Or you don't know what to do about those coins, or they're wrapped, okay, but they are still there for you, right? So what you can also do, you can go sell all tokens, okay? Well, if you click on this right here, or you can click here, right? So let's say sell all tokens, okay? You've got more of those, okay? They're all been gonna be sold, all right? But if you want to only sell particular ones, let's say that we want to see sell this token, okay? We're gonna click sell token, okay, and that token will be exchanged for Sol, right, for you, okay, which is quite cool. Because let's say that you got a number of those tokens which you don't know what to do about them, okay, you just simply can go and click and sell, and Autosnipe will take care of that for you, right? I think that's a great feature. That's why I want to introduce this one here for you in this video. Guys, I think that's all what I want to cover. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. Any comments, questions, inside the description, I'll be leaving the link to this to this tool. Okay, remember, 10% discount if you sign up through my referral link. And if you can subscribe to my channel, I like this video. If you like obviously this video, if you can click the like button, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.